Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be saying about how to develop a bot for a Gmail website. So here I'll be opening a Gmail website and I'll be typing a email address in the search bar, and after that I'll be sending a message to the email address, and this will be done by the bot that I'm developing here. For that, first I have to link the website with the UiPath Studio. For that I'm going to type here in this search box of the Google. So Gmail, and I'm going to link it with the UiPath. So I'm going to use an application called as use application or browser. I'm going to drop it here, and I have a link to this now, right? After that, I have to click this link for the page to enter into the mail. So for that, I'm going to use an activity called as click. I'm going to select it and drop it down here, and I'm going to select this particular link. Right. So after that, I'm going to click confirm. Okay. So after that, I have to do simultaneously in the website also, right? So I'm going to click it here. So it has opened the main page. Now I have to link this to the UiPath Studio. For that, again, I'm going to use application or a browser. So I'm going to drag and drop it down here, and I'm going to link this page, right? So after that, I'm going to search right here in the search bar. So for that, I'm going to use an application called as Type Into. So, I have to select this search box, right? After selecting this, I'm going to give confirm. So I have to also enter what I have to type into that search box. So I'm going to enter the mail ID I want. Okay, it's okay, done. So I have to type the similar thing into this website also. So I have typed, and after that I'm going to give this search bar. So for that I'm going to use click, because giving this it will automatically it goes to this page here. So I'm going to give click confirm. Okay, and after that I have to select the mail that I want, right? For that again I'm going to use click, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click this mail ID that I want to use. Okay, now confirm. Okay, right. So after that, again, I have to do the similar thing in the website. So I'm going to click this mail. So the box like this opens. Next is I have to type the subject here. So for that, I'm going to use an application, an activity called as type into. I'm going to drop it down here. Then after that, I have to select where I have to type, right? So for that, I'm going to give this particular column for typing. So I'm going to give confirm. After that, I also enter what I should type. So that I'm going to give like hi. Okay. Okay, right. So after this, I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so next I have to click this send. That I have to use an activity called as click. I'm going to drag and drop it down here, and I should click this send, right? Okay, then confirm. So I have to do the same thing here in the website. So I'm going to click send. So after that, um, so as you can see, message sent has been displayed here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a message box to display a message called as like sent like that. For that, I'm going to use an activity called as get text. So here I'm going to drop it down and I'm going to use this text like this here. So I'm going to select it and confirm. And so here it's asking me to add a argument. So I'm going to add like message sent. Okay, so I'm going to add a simple argument here. And since it has to be displayed in the message box, I have to use something called as message box. So I'm going to drag and drop it down here. And I have to give the same argument that I have given in the above activity. So it is nothing but message sent. So okay, so this is what we have done. So let us check whether this runs for that. So we are expecting to automatically open the website and it does all the work automatically. So let us run the file. As you can see here, it is opening by itself and so it is typing the mail ID by itself. So that's searched and this page has been active. So it is going to select this mail ID now. So let us again run this. I don't find an error, but I don't know what the problem is. So let us again run this. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this here. Let me run the file again. Okay, so right here there is an error that is occurring. So let me run the file again and check for errors. Okay, now as you can see, the error is occurring right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use application of browser in between the thing. So for example, first I'm going to open my Chrome and I'm going to search Gmail. So I'm gonna give, so I'm gonna use search. Okay. So after that, I'm going to use an application of browser activity. I'm going to include, I mean, link this page here. So let us see if the error is, if it is running after we do so. I'm going to insert it here. Then I'm going to select this. So now let us run and see. Okay, so the mail page is opening. So it types the email ID. Okay, now this is running successfully, right? So here, as you can see, the message box has displayed like it is displaying the message sent. Okay, so this is what that is. The problem is I have to again I have to use the application of browser activity to link the browser to the email ID that is sent that separate page. So after that, the program has been run very smoothly. So that is the only problem here. So this is how the bot is accessing the email, that is Gmail. So it itself is going to search, open the website, and it itself selects the mail ID and it sends a message successfully.